Everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you my not my favorite, but a very good slime. Make sure you go subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the channel post notifications, and if you like slime, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below what you were for Halloween. Because depending on which day you're watching this, for me, Halloween just passed. But if you would subscribe to my channel, that would be a lot. Here, let me just turn it this way. Look at, this is like a pink, glittery glow-in-the-dark slime. And it's really cool. I love slime. But make sure you go check out my other friend's channel. I'll tell you right now. Go check out The Gaming Master. Go check out Chauvin Girls. Go check out Ashley Kenyon. Go check out Peyton Waxback. And make sure you subscribe to all those channels and mine. If you subscribe, I'm doing a giveaway on one of my channels where I'm giving away this glow-in-the-dark green slime. So comment down below. Comment down below your name and stuff, your name, and I will, comment down below, not your name, sorry. Comment down below, my slime, my slime, my slime, as many times as you can, and then I will check on it. But this slime is really, really good. I mean, it's a little bit sticky, but it's really good so far. So, but I'll tell you a little, but this slime is just so cool. It's so cool. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you like and subscribe and comment down below what you were for Halloween. And my slime, my slime. So, I love you all. Goodbye.